Hi, my name's Sue, and today I want to talk to you about this portable clothes dryer. Now, this only weighs about 1.5 pounds, and it's not much bigger than a shoebox, so it can be stored really easily when you're not using it. It's made of a really hard plastic, and it has this hanger on it for hanging it on a curtain rod or a shower curtain rod or a window curtain rod, wherever you have a hook. On the bottom compartment, that's where the base of the product is. So it has a long cord. I'm going to say that's about 6 feet long, and inside it has what looks like a garment bag that descends from the inside. So like these are my husband's work shirts, 3 work shirts. These take about 20 minutes to dry. I tried it out. Now my reason for getting this is because last year my husband went hunting, and on his first day of hunting, he goes in a camper. On his first day of hunting, he got soaked. He didn't have any way to dry his clothes, and they didn't dry overnight. He froze the whole next day. So I got this with him in mind. Inside here is, it looks like this is with the heater. There's a heater in here, and also it has this handle. So this this is an awkward position here. It has, let me try this again. It has this handle right here, and you see how it has those ridges on it so that you can hang your hangers on that part. Probably should get a better look at that, but I think you get the idea. Probably a better view of it from here. So I put these shirts inside, and now depending on what I have in here, if it's just a few shirts, they should be spread out. I put as much room between things as possible for the fastest drying time. But like if you're putting a coat in here, just one coat so that outer shell can dry, or if you're warming a towel, that's another thing he had an issue with last year, his towels never dried. So that's going to help him there too. So I'm going to go ahead and plug this in, just a standard plug here, and go ahead and turn it on. Now this has 2 heat settings. Watch, this is going to sort of puff up. It has 2 heat settings, low and high, and it also has a 1, 2, and 4 hour timer. You don't have to set the timer for it to work, obviously, but if you just want to let it go for an hour, you can. And it also has a UV light, so you can use that. And once you hit the power button to turn it off, it'll still run for another 30 seconds to cycle the rest of the warm air through there. Now on the bottom, it has some holes so that as the hot air is coming down and encircling the clothes, it's pushing air out, the damp air out of the bottom. So this will shut off in a moment. If you're even considering this, even if you have a dryer, like we use ours for our RV for my husband to hunt. I can see someone with a cabin or even tent camping now, because so many of the tent campsites, they have posts with electric outlets on them. So in the summer, when it's damp outside and things don't dry well, get this to dry bathing suits and towels. What a great product. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you to the brand for sending it to me so I could share with you what I know. I hope you have a great day.